What's in the box? Could it be a major award? Huh? I don't know, Sal. Look at all that packing material. It could be anything. And check it out. It's more boxes. We have got a set of Arduino Uno holders. A make-your-own Arduino kit. And, oh, this has got to be the major award right here. This has got to be the major award because we are open source. See? Alto Fragile. It's Italian. Actually, it's a soldering kit. What I have here is a soldering kit for beginners and a make your own Arduino learn how to solder kit. So looking forward to this. So the first thing I want to show you is the Arduino holder. You want to see the Arduino holder, don't you, Sal? What the Arduino holder does, we've got 5 of these colorful plastic shields that are just big enough to hold an Arduino Uno. Like so. I may have that in backwards. Well, that's got to be right. Well, I'll mess around with those later. But you can screw your Arduino holder into whatever work surface you're working on, and then screw the Arduino into the holder. So you've got a nice secure thing to keep your Arduino in place while it's in use. Does it go this way? No, it wouldn't go that way. Anyhow, that is stuff to play with when I get around to putting the Arduino onto the layout. Aha, I was trying to put it in backwards. It goes like this. There's a definite notch over here that matches up with this little bump out on the Arduino. Here, I'll use a pointer so I don't have my fat finger getting in the way. The next goodie we've got is a make your own Arduino kit, and it's got 2 good things on it. Once we finish sliding it out of its cover, we've got a box. But the lid of the box has a bunch of perforations in it. And the purpose of those perforations is the big round one will be a space for a speaker, and the smaller holes will have control knobs extending from them. And so inside there, we're going to put a Arduino Uno board, and this is the pre-printed circuit board for an Arduino Uno that I'm going to assemble myself. I've got a debugging board and a soldering board. Don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. I've got instructions that I'll have to get. That's flipped upside down. Here we go. We've got a circuit board for an Arduino audio synthesizer. And a faceplate for our speaker. We've got the ever popular bag of spare parts. a bag full of spacers, nuts, and bolts. I'm not going to open those yet. I've got components for the Arduino synthesizer. I've got components for the Arduino speaker. And I've got a whole bunch of components for building an Arduino Uno. And a Micro Atmel 328 a Micro Atmel 328 chip for the microcontroller on our Arduino. And this is the bottom of the box, which will hold the whole thing once it's assembled. So, how do I go about assembling it? Well, in order to build this thing, I've got to solder. Never soldered before. So I got this Alto Fragile, it's Italian, soldering kit. Once I get the soldering kit open, we find the basics of a beginning soldering setup. We've got some safety glasses. Safety glasses. I'll leave them in the protective sleeve for now. Pair of tweezers. Some lead-free solder. One of the things that sold me on this kit is it's coming with lead-free solder. I don't want cats or small children or myself to be, sucking on any lead solder accidentally. Some goodies to make a simple soldering station. I've got a cleaning sponge, some tips, the iron holder, a nice pair of snippers, snip, 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 and a soldering gun. Not a gun, it's a soldering iron with adjustable temperature. It's a 60 watt, 110 volt, 60 watt iron. So, theoretically good for somebody like me who's a complete beginner. I do not appear to have any instructions in here, but I think I'm going to get those when I get around to finding the instructions on the Make Your Arduino, arduino.cc website. And, yeah, I'll keep everybody updated on how my experiment with soldering goes. So, thanks for joining me as I looked at what's in the box.